Today, I'm not talking about cooking. Instead, we are talking about Whirlpool washing machines, an appliance that I'm going to use more often when we get the new addition to Sachie's kitchen. You might have heard of Whirlpool's 6 Sense technology. It's the clever way Whirlpool products makes people's lives easier. Their washing machines have lots of sensors to automatically change the temperature of the water, how the drum rotates, and even the length of the program, because 6 Sense knows how big the load is and it adjusts accordingly, which means you save water and energy by not using it longer than you need to. Awesome! Now, you know when you're relaxing and watching your favorite TV program, then the washing machine starts spinning? Very noisy, right? Well, Whirlpool have the solutions. It's called Zen technology. This makes the washing machine motor very quiet. It's actually the quietest motor on the market. Also very important when the baby's sleeping. Whirlpool protects you and your family's most precious items with its special way of cleaning. While washing, it uses special technology and unique hole patterns in the drum. They call this soft move. Amazing!